So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notification reminders on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll on the left hand side to notifications, tap on that, and then go to advanced settings, tap on that, and then you should see repeat notification alerts. If you tap on that, you'll find that you can enable or disable that function here. Now, once you enable it, you have a few extra options, like you can select the specific apps that you want notification reminders for or repeat alerts. And then you can also choose the repeat interval. This is the list of apps. You can enable it for specific apps. So let's say you want an app that's sensitive like Gmail. You can enable notification reminders for Gmail and other apps that you might not want to miss time sensitive notifications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.